Hello everyone! I'm actually kind of extra excited about this month's card kit. It got here even earlier than usual. For those not aware, I am on the Simon Says Stamp design team. These do get sent to me earlier because I've had a lot of people comment about that. Like, how did you get yours way before mine, etc. These get sent out to the designers so we can make samples, etc. And then I just do the unboxing videos because I enjoy doing them and I get a lot of requests. So anyway, I'm in Canada though, so usually these kits take a little longer to get to me. Sneak peeks have gone up. A lot of times the kits have been released, etc. So this time, I haven't even seen sneak peeks yet. So I have no, even a hint of what's in here. So let's just find out. So, oh sweet. Fun. Okay, I'll get to that in a second. Okay, this is fun. Let's just see. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, this is the Be Yourself card kit. I'm already kind of excited. Candy, of course. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Alrighty, this is the July 2019 card kit. The Be Yourself. You get a 6x8 stamp set that's called Be Yourself. This is really cute. So cute. Be yourself. Things will be okay. Be awesome just because. Thanks for being there. Beautiful. You're the bee's knees. We belong together. Mommy to be. Smart as can be. Sweet as can be. That's really cute. Oh, there's even a little bow tie image you can use. How cute is that? I like this. That's really cute. So cute. Love it. So there's that. There is this little HEXAGON wafer die as well, so you can use that to create little like elements on your cards. So that's really cute. Love that. Get that, and then you get a glue, like an entire glue sponge. This is really cool. And funny thing is, I'd actually ordered this just out of curiosity. I honestly don't know if this is something I can ever get into. I've said before in other videos, I have a weird thing about adhesive. I don't like the feeling of glue and stuff on my fingers. Really bugs me. Like, really bugs me. I'd seen this when it was released at Creativation, like videos and stuff about it. Like, some people have been raving about it. Some people don't care for it, but it's just a very interesting idea. So, yeah. It's basically adhesive. Well, here, let me open this right up since I have it now. Yeah, it is basically glue, like it says, a glue sponge. So it comes all sealed. I know, I think it's like a little bit finicky. Yeah, it's like sealed. Let's move this over. I'm like scared I'm gonna spurt glue everywhere. Yeah, you break the one corner and then you open it just like so. And then you have adhesive. So you would press your items that you want to adhere. So another thing I recommend having, if you don't already have these, you should have them because they're awesome. Something like tweezers, you know, that you can press into it. And there's literally like, yeah, like glue. And if you want it to be more adhesive-y, if that's such a word, when it is sealed shut, and obviously you want to make sure it's sealed shut, is to store it this way so the glue can kind of seep down even more. So, yeah. Fun. Something new to try out anyway. So you get that. There's these gorgeous little sequin package. Is there a name for these? Just black and yellow sequins. They're pretty. They're pretty. So you get those. I think these are foil. Yeah, foilable cards. So these are pre-printed with toner. So you can run these through like a laminator or a foiling machine with foil and it will foil them. So that's really fun. So you get 3 of those. There's foil. We'll get to that in a second. You get a Simon Says white envelope, self-adhering. I love Simon's envelopes. I braid with them all the time. Oh, Honeybee Stamps pattern paper. Ooh, I actually, and same thing. I have this like sitting with their last release and haven't had a chance to like show it or use it or anything. But yeah, you get 12 double-sided sheets of Honeybee's The Bee's Knees pattern paper. Like, how fun are these? So fun, so cute. Love. 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 So you get those. Foil. 5 Thermoweb Deco foil rainbow shattered glass. Oh, these are pretty. Here, let me open it from the top. And of course, like me and I have such bad luck. I've yet to get foiling to work properly for me. I love the look of foil, and like stuff like this is just, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, this one's like my favorite. I just want to do like a wall in this, you know? Isn't that gorgeous? Like, so pretty. So I love foil. I love the look of foil. I have a hard time making it work for me. I don't know what it is. I struggle with foil, but I sure do love it. And this stuff's just gorgeous. So you get a pack of that. And then you get some fabulous Simon cardstock in B colors, of course. So you've got Sunshine, Sea Glass Black, and then Simon's 120 pound white, which is like one of my favorite heavyweights. So yeah, that is the Be Yourself card kit. I'm really excited for this kit. I just think it is so fun and so pretty, and just, yeah, new things to try. I might even attempt foiling again and see if I can actually make it work. You never know. You never know. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So much fun stuff. As always, you can get the kit as a kit. You can do the monthly subscription. You can buy things individually, etc. I always link to all of that. I link to the kit, the subscription. I link to the frequently asked questions that Simon has on their site. All the individual stuff, all that. That will be in the description box below the video. I'll also have it on my blog, also linked below the video. So you guys can check all that out if you are interested. So yeah, all that info will be below. Cards will be coming soon. The Simon team will also have, like, there'll be so many amazing samples, all that stuff. With the kits, they do include, obviously since I get it early, it's not ready yet. But with the kits, they include a printout that has card ideas too by the team, which is awesome. So yeah, all that fun info will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, for thumbs upping, commenting, sharing, all of it. I love it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!